Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching and liking this video. Yes, about my weight loss journey. So I'm just gonna give it to you straight from the beginning. So I started my weight loss journey when I was about 175 pounds, and I worked really hard and I got to 165. But then a family member came to visit and that went out the window. I ate so much, didn't work out, and now I am back to 170. But I'm so dedicated, I'm so focused to losing this weight. 50 pounds is what I want to lose. It's been a while. I've tried a lot. I've done and failed so many things. Sorry if you hear any kind of background noise. My kids in the background, they want to be in the video. But anyway, yeah, it's been such a long journey, but I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up on myself. I have two small kids that I'm sure you can hear in the background, that I have to live for, that I have to take care of my body for. So this journey has not been easy. I get on a treadmill in the morning for about an hour and just walk for about maybe 4 to 5 miles, burning maybe 500, between 4 and 500, calories. And it's been tough. It's been tough. Stay at home mom. It's so difficult between getting them ready and taking them to school and, catching up on my stuff. I have no time to work out, but I'm not making excuses, and I don't want to just, be all over the place with it. I just wanted to just come on today and just say, finally, the family member that came to visit has left. So now I am back on track. I'm so back on track with this weight loss thing. And today I stood on the scale and I'm at 170. So I'm going to try something different. I'm going to try to fast for 2 days with no food, just water fasting, to see how it goes, to see if I get any kind of results. I know it's going to be difficult. It's going to be, I remember trying it months ago and I gave up, feeding my kids. You have to taste the food, you have to do this, and anyway, but now no more excuses. I need to do this, and so I'm gonna need your encouragement and your support. Hopefully, if I'm able to get through this, I can inspire somebody out there. But yes, I'm going to tomorrow start with a fast, a 2-day water only, no food fast, and see how it goes. Sorry again if you hear them screaming in the background. But anyway, I'm going to continue to give you updates. I'm going to tell you how I'm feeling, how my body reacts to the fasting, and if at all I lose any kind of weight, because, fasting, I've heard, affects people's bodies differently. So I'll let you know what happens to my body and how it feels. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and once again, thank you for visiting my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.